It's a reptile. It's got scales. It's got fur. It's got 4 legs. It's got a long tail. And it's got big claws. My favorite fantastic animal is a mammal. It's got fur. It hasn't got wings. It's pink and multicolored. It's a magic unicorn. It's a mammal. It's got a long beak. It's got soft fur and a heavy shell. It's got a small head, 3 eyes, a small tail, 4 legs, sharp teeth, and long sharp claws. It hasn't got ears, but it knows what is told through the eyes. It's a mammal. It's got big teeth. It's got long neck. It's brown. It's got brown eyes. It's a fish. It's got feathers. It's got big wings. It's got a long head. It hasn't got ears. It has lot of colors. It's got brown eyes. It's very slow. It's a reptile. It's got big teeth, eyes and whiskers. It's got a long neck. It's got 3 legs. It hasn't got a nose. It's blue, red and green. It's got black eyes.
It's mammals. It's got fur. It hasn't got wings. It hasn't got a long tail. It's a yellow.
It's got wings. It's got fur. It's got a scale. It's got shell. It's got teeth. It's got a feathers.
It's a fish. It's got whiskers and scales. It's got big wings. It's got a long tail. It hasn't got a fur. It's red. It's got brown eyes. It swims very fast.
It's a mammal. It's got 2 wings, a beak, 4 legs, 2 eyes. It's a bird.
It's a reptile. It's got scales. It's got a sharp teeth and big wings. It's got a long tail. It hasn't got a shell. It's got green body and blue eyes and blue wings. It's got red eyes. It's fat.